Right, so I hope everyone's doing okay. Just wanted to show you a trap in this book, Hunting Lore by Jared Maluda. I've showed you this book before because you've seen this trap on the front, the Ghost's Doorway. I've done a video of that. That's called the Ghost's Doorway because they say only a spirit can get through that. So I thought that was pretty cool. I've done that one anyway, you've seen that one. So I wanted to show you another one in here. And it's this one, called a box trap for monkeys, etc. Now I thought I'd just show you it in the book because, to be honest, there's not much point me making this because I'm not going to be able to catch a monkey over here. So I'll read you what it says and then we can have a little look at it. So it actually starts here. So another kind of box trap is made with smooth walls of bark extending about 6 feet above a low fence but open at the top. Springy sticks are set to stretch out across the top. Bait of some kind, often ripe fruit, is put on the ground inside and can be seen through the fence from the ground or from on top. Monkeys and other small climbing animals will bend down the sticks with their own weight to get at the bait. The sticks will fly up again and the monkey cannot climb the smooth walls to get out. So it's a pretty understandable trap. So I suppose this piece down the bottom is like a fence, what can be seen through. So that way the animal could see the bait. And then these parts are smooth bark. So I suppose you could quite easily make that using bark, but use the inside of the bark. Slippery and you know, not much to get hold of. Put that there. And I'd gather these bendy sticks, get on them, jump in, and then these spring up and then they can't get back out. It's quite an interesting little trap. I've never seen that in any other book or anything before, but the funny thing is, when you think about it, this is actually similar kind of design to some rat traps. The rolling barrel rat trap is similar, but I have seen rat traps with a barrel with kind of like a plank, like a walk the plank going across, and then once the rat or mouse gets to one end it tips up. It's a very similar idea really to this. I don't know whether Jared Maluda or the people of I think this is Borneo, yeah, Borneo. I don't think the people of Borneo may have seen those types of traps, but very interesting the way this is designed, and it's very similar to other rat traps. Right, so box trap for monkeys, thought I'd show you that. Pretty interesting. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.